Hello. In today's video, we'll discuss that dependent dropdown in PHP Ajax, and I will guide you through every step from composing the HTML code to executing the Ajax logic, and make sure to watch the entire video without skipping from a comprehensive understanding. Okay, so let's start. First, go to VS Editor. Here we write HTML code first. First we write HTML code, second Ajax logic, and third PHP. So first HTML code. Write one div open and div close. Write label open and label close. Write country. Now select ID equal to country. Write one. Okay, and here first in the select tag, close here. Now write option value equal to blank. Write select country, option close. Copy this option and paste 2 times for country A, and here value is 1, and copy and paste for country B, and here value is 2, and save. Now after this div we write another div open and close. For city select, when we choose the country A, then select or show the country A related city. So write label, copy this one and paste here, write city. Now select, copy this line and paste here, and end the select, and ID is city, and option, copy this one, paste here, option value is blank, and select country first. Save. Now next step is Ajax. So go to header section and make sure you add this jQuery script and start skip code. Skip tag open and skip tag close. Write $document dot ready function curly bracket open dollar single quotation open and close has copy country ID is country, copy and paste here, dot on single quotation open and close, write change, comma function curly bracket open and close, write var variable country id underscore id equal to dollar this dot value first bracket open and close and semicolon. Next, if copy this country id first bracket open and close, pass this id or this variable dollar dot ajax first bracket open and close and curly bracket open and close, write type post comma url PHP tag open and close, write PHP echo dollar underscore server square bracket open and close, double quotation open and close, write PHP self comma data country id, copy this variable name, pass here equal to plus country id comma success colon function pass html curly bracket open and close dollar single quotation open, right, hash, pass here this city id, copy and pass here dot html and semicolon here. After this semicolon, this curly bracket, write else curly bracket open and close, write dollar hash single quotation open and close hash, pass the city id dot html single quotation open and close, write option value equal to null, select country first and close the option quotation here. Okay, and last semicolon here, one semicolon and here semicolon and save. We complete the write the Ajax logic. Now we write PHP code. After this div we write PHP code. PHP tag open and close dollar cities equal to array. Here we select the value for country A, for value is 1, and country B we select the value is 2. So city 1 pass array double quotation city A1, copy comma, paste two times, sorry, A1, A2 and A3, comma, copy this line or city A, we paste here, and for 2, city 2, B1, B2 and B3. Add more cities here. We select only 2 cities here, and last semicolon. Now if it set dollar underscore post, here pass country ID, this variable, copy and paste here, curly bracket open and close, dollar ID equal to dollar underscore post, we pass this country or country ID and semicolon here. There if small. Now if is set, first we open and close, dollar, copy these cities and pass here, square bracket open and close, dollar, this country ID, bracket open and close, this code, write for each dollar cities, square bracket open and close, write country ID, dollar country ID pass as dollar city. Now write dollar city underscore option dot equal to single quotation open and close and semicolon here, write option tag open, value equal to null, not value is null, value dot dollar pass this city dot single quotation open, double quotation open and close the option tag and position here, pass dollar city dot single quotation open and close, here write or end the option tag close. Now echo city options, echo dollar city, copy this variable and paste here. Now else echo copy echo write option tag open, value equal to null, write no cities found and option tag close and save. Now go to browser, reload. Now select country A, select city A1, A2, A3, and same as when we choose country B, then show the country B related city here. This way you can make dependent drop down in PHP Ajax. Thank you.